Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make biscuits sweet. To begin, incorporating sugar directly into your dough is the most fundamental step. Granulated sugar provides a classic sweetness and helps with browning. For a richer flavor, consider using brown sugar, which also adds a touch of moisture. The amount of sugar can be adjusted to your preference, typically starting with 2 to 4 tablespoons per cup of flour. Beyond basic sugar, other ingredients can significantly boost sweetness and flavor. Honey or maple syrup not only sweeten, but also add a lovely aroma and moist texture. Stir in chocolate chips, dried cranberries, or chopped nuts for delightful pockets of flavor. A pinch of cinnamon, nutmeg, or cardamom can also enhance the overall sweet profile beautifully. For an extra layer of sweetness, consider glazes and toppings after baking. A simple glaze made from powdered sugar and a splash of milk creates a lovely, shiny finish. Brushing warm biscuits with melted butter and then sprinkling with granulated sugar gives a delightful, crispy crust. You can also serve them with fruit compotes or sweet jams. Achieving perfectly sweet biscuits involves a few key techniques. Avoid overmixing your dough. A light hand ensures a tender crumb. Bake at the recommended temperature, usually around 400 degrees Fahrenheit, until golden brown. Don't be afraid to experiment with different sweetening agents and flavor combinations to discover your ultimate favorite recipe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.